This video shocked me like so. And let me know in the comment section what gives you that excitement. Is it a view or is it a subscribe? In today's video, we'll be talking about how much YouTube pays for 375 views. Yes, I am excited. I am so excited about this video. It was so shocking to me. In fact, I was shocked when I was like, 375 views. That, yeah, I'm going to talk about this, okay, because this is going to encourage someone out there, okay. So I have created also about 3 or 4 videos of how much YouTube pays me. I can see that viewers really like such content, okay. So when this one was so shocking to me, it was so shocking, I was so excited. I was like, okay, I'm going to do this. I was waiting for the video to get more views, but yet the video is still at 375. And there is something that interested me so much. So do well to watch till the end, so you're going to know that thing that made me so excited. So you guys, YouTube revenue update. We need to always come back here to give you guys YouTube revenue update, because I can see that viewers, they love such content, okay. So once in a while we come to update you guys about YouTube revenue update. If you want to know how much YouTube has paid me so far, all my 4 years in YouTube, next year I'll be 5 years, let me know in the comment section, so I'll film that video for you guys. So yeah, so let's go straight into today's video. I'm going to be wearing my glasses so that I can see very well, okay. If you see me with the eyeglass, one and off there, so I can see very well. That is why I'm wearing it, okay, so that I can dig the analytics for you guys. If you're new here, thank you for clicking to watch this video. Please subscribe by pressing that subscription button there. Put it into all, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also help me to share as we talk about how much YouTube pays for 375 views. I know some of you will be like, 375 views, this is very low. For some of you it is low, but YouTube pays. I know we need a lot of you to get more to make more money here on YouTube, but YouTube pays on the amount of views, but the views also differs, okay. In the last video I talked about how much YouTube pays, which is this video we are analyzing how much. So now I'm going to click on the reach, the impression, how many people saw this video. Yeah, a lot of people saw this video. About 7,200 people saw the thumbnail of this video while they were scrolling their home page, okay. But yet the view is about 375 right now. Yeah, so for the browse future is 85.6%. Videos that suggested this video was about 5.9%. Channel page 3.2, others 3.2, and yeah, others also 2.1. How viewers found this video? Viewers get to find this video through YouTube recommendation. So YouTube recommendation is very important. It is very important that you create videos that audience want to watch, that people want to watch, so that YouTube can continue to recommend your video to viewers that love such content. That is why you want to look for content that audience want to watch. So viewers found this video through YouTube recommendation. Through YouTube recommendation, about 343 people get to watch this video. That is a lot. So if you create videos that are not recommendable, means you're going to be getting low views. So if you want to get high views and get more money, make sure to create videos that are recommendable, that YouTube algorithm can start recommending your video to much people and high people and a lot of people that love to watch such content. For channel pages, 12 people get to see this video through channel pages. Other YouTube feature, also 12 people. Notification, just 5 people, and others 3 people. So you can see that YouTube recommendation is very, very, very important, you guys. Let's go over to engagement, watch time and engagement. This video was 16 minutes long, and for the watch time it got about 19.5. okay, audience retention, average view, the graph is just like this, you guys. You can see. So the watch time is not bad, okay, because about 19 people, and it gave you that thick green, okay, 19.5 percent. Yeah, so the key moments, the top moments is not that bad and all that. So let's move over to audience. Returning viewers, we got returning viewers. We also have our new viewers. I want to say a big thank you to all my returning viewers, all you guys out there that are watching my videos that always come. I want to say thank you to you all. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe, because I've got new audience, but they are not subscribed. They just keep watching. Do well to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up and help me to share this video. So top geographical areas, and this matters a lot for to let you know how much you're going to earn. So the top geographical area for this video was Nigeria. A lot of people get to watch this video from Nigeria. 18.9% were all the way from Nigeria. Thank you so much, all my Nigerian family out there that are watching my videos. And if you are in Nigerian and you are watching this one also, please subscribe. And also, people get to watch this video from United States. Thank you so much, all the United States that are watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so already. Also, we got UK. Thank you, all my UK fans. I appreciate you all. So I'm going to click and see more. So we also have Ghana and we have South Africa. Thank you to all my Ghanaians out there, all the South Africans that are watching my video. I do appreciate every one of you. Please do well to subscribe if you've not done so already. Yeah, so this is how it went. So for the first 24 hours, which is one day, the people that watched this video for the first 24 hours were from Italy, and about 31% of them, since this video was published, before we started having our Nigerian fans, having United States, UK, Ghana, and South Africa. So yeah, let's keep seeing. Okay, watch time from subscribers. Okay, people that were subscribed that watched this video was about 63.4%. Then people that are not subscribed to the channel that watched the video were about 36.6%. oh my goodness. So you can see that I have about 36% that watch, which is half of half. So if you're still watching and you're not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, because you don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Do well to subscribe for more content. Let's go over to our revenue, which we are all waiting for. But before we move to the revenue, there's something that shocked me like this. It shocked me. And I was also excited. And let me know in the comment section, what gives you that excitement? Is it the view, or is it the subscribers, when people subscribe to you organically, or when your views? For me, I think it's both, but sometimes every one of them is very, very important. Let me know which one is more important to you. But this video shocked me like so. Like I am telling you guys, I'm like, okay, I'm going to do a revenue update about this video for you guys to see why this video shocked me. For the audience, you know, when we click on the audience, we are going to see people that subscribed after watching this content. They love it and they get to subscribe. Let's see how much. And in fact, for the lowest view that I have had, even I've got views that are like 500, sometimes just 0 subscriber, but this one got just 375 views, and it gave me 7 subscribers organically. I was so excited, and I am still excited. Thank you so much, every one of you that watched the video and subscribe. I so much appreciate 7 subscribers from this video, just from 375. I wish this video gets more view. Maybe this video gets up to 1,000 view. I would have gotten more subscribers, because the more people get to watch, the more YouTube get to recommend the video, the more subscribers and the more views and the more money you get to make. So this video shocked me, because in fact, in all the videos that I have been uploading, I'll get like maybe 1 subscriber or 2 subscriber, but for this video I got 7 subscribers, which is very, very shocking. I am so excited. I am so happy about it, and I'm so happy to share it to encourage you out there. If you are a content creator like me, keep pushing, keep creating more content, keep doing content that audience love to watch, that your audience love to watch, and you keep getting that view and that subscriber. So 7 people get to subscribe to this video, which is a very good one. Watch paid ad is 99.1%. A lot of people, the ads revenue gave me 99%, so I make money from ads. So what does that tell you? Keep watching my ads, keep subscribing, keep giving me YouTube recommendation. So for YouTube Premium, we got 0.9%. Yeah. So the video performance, estimated revenue. Let's talk about how much the advertisers pay. Advertisers didn't pay that much. They paid €3.52, but YouTube is ready to share for the RPM, because CPM is how much the advertisers pay, which gave me 3.52. For the RPM is €1.81. So in every 1,000 view, I'll be getting €1.81. I wish this video got 1,000 view, I would have gotten €1.81, but it didn't get up to 1,000 view. And yeah, so let's see, how much did I get? I got 68 cents, almost 70 cents for 375 views. It is a lot to me. It might not be a lot to people that get more views, but for me it is a lot, because sometimes I create vlogs which gave me 500 view, 700 view, but I don't make up to 68. You can see that. So this video gave me 68 cents, which is a lot, and it also gave me 7 subscribers, which is a lot to me. I am so excited. I am excited to share this revenue update with you, my fans. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch up to this point, I really do appreciate you. And if you've not subscribed up to this point, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and help me to share. I'll see you in my next one. Do well to watch the videos that will appear here and the ones I will leave in my comments in the description box. Okay, help me to watch them if you've not done so already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.